One of my favorite aspects of Minecraft Bedrock is the fact that they let you edit or modify the game. You can enhance your Minecraft gaming experience through Minecraft add-ons, and even learn coding at the same time. I'm Profe Pablo, Spanish teacher turned Minecraft engineer, and in this series I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step how to make Minecraft Bedrock add-ons easily, so you can have more fun in your favorite game, bring your ideas to life, share your creation with your friends, and take your game to a whole new level. Let's do this. Hey guys, Profe Pablo here, Spanish teacher turned Minecraft engineer. Today, as promised, I am starting a series where we are going to learn how to make add-ons. I'm going to walk you through step-by-step of the process of how to make add-ons. As I discover new things, I'll post it on this series. This is honestly one of my favorite parts about Minecraft, is doing these Minecraft Bedrock add-ons. They enhance your game. You can bring your ideas to life. It's tons of fun. Now, this first video is mainly for reference. We're going to set up all the folders that we need so that we can easily make an add-on quickly. And if people ask me questions about this in the future, I will be referencing them to this video. Let's get going. So the first thing that we want to find out is, where does Minecraft keep all of its add-on files? And that is in a folder called com.mojang. Now you'll notice that I'm on a PC right now. PCs are the easiest way to edit Minecraft Bedrock add-ons right now. You can do it with a Mac, and if I get enough requests, I'll make a video about that as well. But for now, let's just do PC. So you're going to come down here where your file explorer is, or wherever you keep that. And up here in this bar, we are going to do %appdata%. That's going to bring us inside of an app data folder. Now I want you to back out of this folder, so click app data right here. And then we are going to click on this folder called local and open that. Then you are going to scroll down and click on packages. You're going to get all of this crazy stuff in here. Find the one that says Microsoft.Minecraft. Click on that. Now this is assuming that you already have Minecraft Bedrock downloaded on to your system. And then here you want to click local state, games, and there's our com.mojang folder. Kind of like an Easter egg hunt, very well hidden. We're going to right click on that and press pin to quick access. That way it is over here. I'm going to move it up to the top so it's kind of in my top priority. And right here is your com.mojang folder. You always want this on quick access because when we go into that, you'll notice some folders that may look familiar. Behavior packs, development behavior packs, development resource packs, development skin packs, worlds, all your worlds are saved here. Everything is saved in this folder. And we are going to be using this folder quite a bit. But before we really dive into this, let's go ahead and download some other resources that we need. So somewhere on your computer, I want you to create a folder. You can title it whatever you want. I'm going to title mine Profe Pablo add-ons. And I want it to be in a place where I can find it easily. I'm going to double click on that. And inside of this folder, you're going to create a folder called Vanilla Files. And you're going to create another folder called Study. We might add some more folders to this later. Right now, you just need these two. These can be named whatever you want. This is really for your organizational purposes. Now, vanilla files. Vanilla files are the files that Minecraft gives us as templates to edit the game. And they give those to us for free. We can download them. There's a couple of places to get these. If you open up Firefox and go to bedrock.dev, this is a community of people dedicated to making Minecraft Bedrock add-ons. They're a great community, super resourceful. If you go up here to packs, you can download the latest vanilla packs. They have all the packs archived here. We're going to download this one right here, and it asks you behaviors or resources. We need both. So first click on behaviors, go ahead and press save, and then press resources and save. Okay, we can close our browser, click on the folder that you just created, click on Vanilla Files, and then go here, File, open a new window. So we create a new window, click on Downloads, and we are going to take these files and drag them over to Vanilla Files. Just like that. Now we do need to unzip these, so I suggest keeping a copy of the zipped file without deleting it, because just in case you accidentally edit the original files, you have a backup. You could always re-download them, but that's kind of annoying. So we're going to go up here to Extract, Extract All, Extract. As you can see, there are a lot of files here, so this might take a minute. I'll see you guys back in a minute, and while I'm waiting, I might clean up my desktop. Okay, as you can see, I've made some progress in my organization, and here we are, we have an unzipped file. Now let's go into this. Okay, and because it says textures, I know that this is our resource pack. So I'm going to put vanilla resource pack, renaming it. And now I'm going to extract this one as well right here. Going to press extract all, extract. And again, this might take a minute. I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, and now that is unpacked. I go in here, just checking. Yes, this is the behavior pack. So I'm going to type in vanilla, if I can type, behavior pack. Okay, and I am going to rename these. Okay, there we go. Now I have those renamed. Now, moving forward, we might pin these over here, but just now know that they're in this Profe Pablo Addons folder, which this one we are going to pin. So I'm going to take that, drag it over here. There we go. Now I have my add-ons folder here. I have my vanilla and study, which I'll talk about in just a minute. Now, for this study folder, we are going to be using this to save packs from other people or from ourselves as templates that we can study for later. Just to give you an example, I'm going to go to profepablo.com, click on packs and add-ons, and I'll download this one player sleep. It's downloading. I'm going to save the file, but I'm going to open a new window, go to downloads. There it is right there. I'm going to drag that into study. Again, this is an example of how you can study other people's code. And then I'm going to click right here and change that MC pack to zip. It's asking me if I'm sure I want to change it. I am sure. And then I can open this up and see the files that are inside and learn how to code from other people's code. Now, I do want to say one thing. Do not steal other people's code. Use it to study other people's code. Okay, so we have found our com.mojang folder. We have added a folder for reference with our vanilla files and a study folder. What we're going to do now is create our first add-on. Go to com.mojang, click on Development Resource Packs. Yours will probably be blank. Mine has a lot in here because I've been developing a lot. And you're going to make a new folder. Title that new folder whatever you want. I'll title it My First Add-on. Go inside of that folder. Now, the Development Resource Packs folder basically means this add-on is still in development and I can still test it in-game. I love that Mojang set up these folders for us to test stuff. It's awesome. So in order for you to have a add-on, you actually need two files, and those files are a manifest and a pack icon. And the pack icon is kind of optional, but it's good to have in there. So to find a template for a manifest file, we need to copy it from the vanilla files. So we're going to go to Profe Pablo Addons. I'm going to right click, open a new window, drag that over here, go to vanilla files, vanilla resource pack, scroll down until I see manifest, and then I'm going to copy that file. I'm going to paste it over here. Now notice I'm in resource packs here and the vanilla resource pack here. Then let's just go ahead and take this pack icon, copy that, paste it over here. Okay, we can now close this window and we can open manifest.json. Now, there is something I do want to say. If you have not downloaded some sort of code editing software, I suggest you do that. Visual Studio Code is the one I like. It's made by Microsoft, so let me walk you through that. Open up a web browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Code.visualstudio.com is where you can find it, and then you can download the latest version right here. After you download it, we are going to eventually add some extensions on, but we will do that in a later video. Some of these extensions really help you with your coding. But for right now, we're just going to take this, right-click, open with, and then if Visual Studio Code doesn't pop up as your default, choose another app, click on Visual Studio Code, and press always use this app to open .json files. Okay, and here we have our code. And I know this looks intimidating, it's really not. There's only a few things that we have to change here. One is we need to change this description. So I'm just gonna call this my first add-on resource pack. The name is gonna be kind of the title that you see in game, so I'm gonna call it my first pack. And then we have this long number that says UUID. Now this needs to be a randomly generated UUID. You can either go here and under extensions and look for UUID generator. I suggest this one. You can install it. And that way, when you go back here to your code, all you have to do is highlight this number, right click, and press generate a UUID. And it gives you a new one. If you don't want to download the extension, I'm going to show you another way in just a second. So down here, we also have a description. I'm going to use the same one as above, my first add-on resource pack. And then down here, there's a UUID as well, which you have to change. So this time I'm going to open a web browser, type in UUID generator, or Google that. This one works, it pops up, you could always refresh the page for a new one, copy it, come back to your code, highlight this number, and paste. Don't forget to save, you could do that by pressing Control S, and now my manifest is set up for my resource pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and close Visual Studio Code, even though I'm gonna use it later. Your pack icon is just the icon that pops up with your packs. We'll talk about editing that in a different lesson. So now we have our manifest and our pack icon. And if we open up Minecraft, if we go to play in Minecraft, we can create a new world. Okay guys, I don't know how much of that made it to the final edit of this video, but my pack was not showing up. I would come to create new world, come down to resource packs, click here, and it wasn't showing up. So to fix that problem, I simply had to take this 0 and delete that. That shouldn't normally happen, but if it's happening to you, try changing the Minecraft engine version. So I'm gonna go ahead and save that, create a new world, and there it is, it showed up. Stupid Minecraft engine version. So now we have our first pack right here. Now we want to go ahead and connect that to a Minecraft behavior pack. So if I go to com.mojang, development behavior packs, I'm going to create a new folder, call it my first add-on. I'm going to say BP for behavior pack. I'll probably change the other one to RP. Then I'm going to go to Profe Pablo add-ons, right click, open a new window, vanilla files, behavior pack, and take the manifest and copy it and paste it over here, and take the pack icon, and I'm going to do a Control C and then a Control V over here to copy and paste. I'm going to open this manifest. You're going to see that it looks similar, but it has a bunch of UUIDs. So in the description, I'm going to say my first add-on. I think add-on is one word. And then in the name, I'm going to call it my first add-on. And down here, I'm going to say my first add-on. And then I have to change my UUIDs. So I can either do that using the online generator or the extension. Now, down here where it says dependencies, this number right here has to be the same as the first UUID on your resource pack. So I just want to make sure that I open the correct file. I'm going to go here, com.mojang, resource pack. Let's go ahead and change this to RP for resource pack. I'm going to go in here, click on my manifest. I'm going to grab this UUID. I'm going to copy it, go to my one with 3 UUIDs, that's my behavior pack, and paste it right here. Now, let's see if this Minecraft engine version gives us trouble. We're going to Control S to save this. Going over here to Minecraft, all I have to do is create a new world or go to an already created world. Click on behavior packs. It is not showing up. Go back here, take this 0 out of the engine version, Control S, come back, create new world, behavior packs, and there it is. So now that they're connected, when I activate this add-on, it should automatically activate the resource pack, and it did. And that's how you know that you connected them correctly. All right, guys, we have our first pack. We have all of our folders set up. In this video, we set up our com.mojang folder, we set up a resource folder for templates, and we created our first add-ons in the development behavior pack and development resource pack folders. I'm kind of glad that we had some errors because, guys, honestly, that is what coding is all about. You try, you run into problems, you try again, you look for help, you try again. I was recently talking to a cousin of mine who is studying coding, and she said that with coding, you try a code, have problems, Google an answer 10 different times, and then finally come at a solution. It's kind of what we're going to be going through here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I promise next time is going to be a lot more hands-on and fun now that we have all of our folders set up. Thanks for watching.